Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to another video. Today's activity is about stacking cup sequence. I made these quick cup cards and they had to follow the sequence on the card, and they have to put the cups according to the sequence and the color they see in the card. They have to make sure that they follow the card and the colors in it. Which help them understand the sequence and as well as the pattern of the cards. It was a fun indoor activity and I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.